In my last video, I showed the 8D Samsung 8D didn't fit into my Intel NUC 12 WSK. And thanks to thousands of subscribers and comments asking to not call it 8D, they asking to call it SSD. I'm going to call a SSD. So let's try to install it now. And as I had got it from Amazon, I just returned it to them, and I just got a new one, this time without heatsink. So let's try to install it. You see it fits now. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so okay, it's already unscrewed. Okay, now this Samsung 980 Pro SSD, 2 terabytes. So let's install it. Set it to today's slot. Well, great. It fits perfectly. So let's screw it. Now, as you can see, it fits as a glove. So let's put it on. And then, okay, for now, that's all. The next video, you'll see if it will work. And try to install the MX Linux on it. Thank you. Bye.